Hey guys, today we've got some pretty interesting shells here. These are called the Super Bullet by Snakebite Fireworks, which is another one of the Kaboomer's fireworks brands. So there's 6 shells in here and they look pretty interesting. They're more like an egg shape rather than a canister shell. So I'm going to call these artillery shells. I wouldn't really call them ball shells because they're kind of oblong, but they're not exactly canister shells either. There's this thing up here that says loud boom, so I'm gonna take a guess that maybe these are salutes. And judging by the fact there's silver and gold, we might see a variety of dark salute and titanium salute. So that's just my guess. We don't know for sure though. But yeah, Super Bullet. There is no performance anywhere that I've seen. All it says is 6 shots, loud boom, and then you got some pictures on the side. I don't think those are the actual effects. But of course you got the warning label there and the instructions. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. But yeah, you can see this one fell out, but yeah, you can see they're kind of oblong, kind of like an egg shape, these shells. But yeah, they have a pretty big lift cup. These are definitely real shells because they're pretty sturdy, and you can kind of see the lift cup. You can see the crease where the lift cup is, where they put it on. So yeah, and they're actually pretty light, so that's kind of a bad sign, but we'll see. I do see some different colored strings, so these might have effects. Judging by that, but we'll see. I'm not 100% sure what we're gonna see in this kit because I've never seen it before. I've actually never seen any videos on this either, so we'll see. I'm not gonna bother messing with that right now. But yeah, we got some silver ones and gold ones. So either we're gonna get a bunch of different effects or we're gonna get different kinds of salutes. So, but we'll see. Here is the tube. We've got the same graphics as the box. The only concern I have about this tube is that it's cardboard, but it is pretty thick, so that should be fine. But there is a plastic base, and I'm not quite sure about that, so I'm gonna bring a fiberglass tube just in case. Actually, I have a HDPE tube that I can bring, one of the Excalibur tubes. I'll just bring that instead. But yeah. And then we got the warning label in there, which we don't need right now, so. But yeah, that is the Super Bullet by Snakebite Fireworks. We'll go ahead and see what these things do. Alright, I got the shells out here. I mean, it's not super dark out right now, but I got the tube and the GoPro over there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do all 3 of the silver ones first, and then I'll do the gold ones. So, yep. Alright, here goes the first. I see. So, the reason why they're so big is because they have mines. That is cool. Alright, here goes the second one. And the third silver shell. Holy crap, I think I just got super lucky there. Yeah, that just came out of the tube and exploded. So the tube is fine. Holy crap. Alright, here goes the first gold shell. Nice. Alright, here goes the second gold shell. last shell. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that hang. Wow. All right. That is beautiful. Look at that hang. Yeah, so I didn't record this part till the next day, so yeah, that's why it's kind of bright in here. I don't have all the lights on, but yeah, these are really nice shells. Despite having that one failure, these are probably the best ball shells out there. I can confirm that these are ball shells. They just have a really big lift cup. At first I thought they were some kind of canister shell hybrid type thing, they're just really powerful or something, but they are really loud, as the box says. I was kind of expecting them to be a noise item like salutes, but they actually didn't disappoint me. They were pretty nice shells, despite having that one that failed. And look, the tube is fine, completely fine. I had used all 6 shells in this tube, and it's completely fine. So, yeah, that's amazing. That third shell was actually a brocade with crackle pistol, I think, if anyone was wondering, because that just happened so fast. I didn't even realize what effect it was until I replayed the video. So, but yeah, I definitely recommend these shells. They're really nice. Very nice combination with the mines and the ball shells. They are pretty symmetrical too, because they're pretty big too. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time with another video.